2023 NEC requirements for multiwire branch circuit. 2023 NEC requirements for multiwire branch circuit. As per Article 210.4a, all conductors of a multiwire branch circuit must originate from the same panel board, equipment, containing the branch circuit overcurrent device, circuit breaker. This branch circuit must supply only line to neutral load unless it serves only one electrical device or all devices on that load are disconnected simultaneously. Article 210.4c. Article 210.4b states that all ungrounded conductors must be disconnected at the same time at the point where the branch circuit originates. Conductors, two hot and a neutral, of a multiwire branch circuit must be visibly grouped together at the place where they originates, panel board, as per Article 210.4d and Article 200.4b. Neutral wire continuity in junction boxes cannot depend on connection to the device but must be spliced in such a way that removal of the device or appliance does not interrupt the neutral continuity. In accordance with Article 300.13b, neutral continuity depends on the device or equipment. When the device or equipment is removed, neutral continuity to the other circuit devices or equipment is lost. Neutral continuity is stable for both circuits if they are spliced. When a device or equipment on one circuit is removed, the neutral wire remains continuous for the devices or equipment on the other circuit.